Hey love, it's Sasha Sage. We're still in Decode Him week, but today, you know what? I'm going to decode you a little bit too. Don't panic. I'm not here to drag you. I'm here to drag the patterns you got trained into. Because a lot of you are asking, why do men stop respecting me once they have me? And the answer is usually not because you're too much. It's because you keep overriding yourself to keep the connection alive. You over-explain your standards instead of enforcing them. You reward inconsistency. You treat him like a husband while he treats you like, well, a vibe. So today, we're talking about 5 things that quietly kill a man's respect for you and what to do instead. Not so you can perform for men, but so you can stop bending yourself into a pretzel in the name of being understanding, while your self-respect slowly leaks out. Now, if that already stings a little, take a deep breath. I got you. Let's fix it. And if you're ready to stop chasing and start choosing yourself, follow me and let's rebuild your love life, your confidence, and your peace together. Today is another day of choosing yourself, and it starts now. Okay guys, before we get started, if you want more tips like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps the channel grow and you get more content like this in the future. So number 1, over-explaining your standards after they've already been crossed. He does something that really doesn't sit right with you, so you write him a beautifully formatted paragraph explaining your childhood, your triggers, and why you're not mad, just disappointed. You reassure him you're not attacking him. Then, nothing changes. But you stay. So what did he just learn? He learned that your standards are negotiable if he looks overwhelmed enough. Babe, you don't have to become cold or harsh. You do need, though, to become clear and consistent. This is what it sounds like instead. When you raised your voice at me on the phone, that crossed the line for me. I don't do shouting in relationships. I'm going to take a step back and if we move forward, that can't happen again. And then, this is the most important part. If it does happen again, you don't give another TED talk. You follow through. Respect is not born in the paragraph. It's born in the pattern of how you treat yourself. Number 2, rewarding inconsistency and disrespect. Now, some of you are doing emotional CPR on connections that have flatlined. He disappears for days, comes back with, my bad, I've just been going through a lot. And you respond with, it's okay, I'm just glad you're okay. My love, you're not the ER. When you reward hot and cold behavior with more access, more vulnerability, more effort, you're teaching him that you will always be there, no matter how he shows up. Now, what it looks like to stop killing respect here? When inconsistency shows up, your access tightens, not widens. Text like, hey, glad you're okay. I'm at a point in my life where I value steady communication, so I won't be able to stay as emotionally invested in something that's this on and off. Then match your behavior to that. We're not punishing or playing games. We're simply no longer rolling out the red carpet for chaotic energy. Number 3, auditioning for the girlfriend role when you're not actually in a relationship. Now, if he's introducing you as, this is my friend, we just chill sometimes, but you're over there doing full service emotional support, cooking, intimacy, and scheduling your life around his, that's not a relationship. That's community outreach. Men are not dumb. If he can get wife-level benefits while still keeping you in the we're just vibing category, he will. The respect here isn't that you're loving. Is that you're over-investing in a man who hasn't invested in you with clarity or commitment. What to do instead? Match your level of giving to his level of consistency and clarity. You're warm, kind, present, but you're not structuring your whole life around someone who hasn't claimed you in any real way. You're not a free 90-day trial of a wife with no login required. Number 4. Shrinking your needs and dragging yourself to stay chill. Now, this is what this looks like. You say things like, I know I'm dramatic. It's not a big deal. I'm probably just being sensitive. I don't need anything serious. I'm chill. Even though your heart is like, I would like a husband, actually. Now, you keep telling him and yourself that your needs are optional. Respect quietly leaks every time you abandon your truth to seem low maintenance. Instead, guys, I want you to practice self honesty. I know I look calm, but I'm a deeply feeling person. I value consistency and clarity in relationships. Or, I'm not in a season of casual, I date with the intention to build something real. If that's not what you want, I'd rather know now. Now, the right man will not lose respect because you have needs. He will respect you more because you respect your own. Now, number 5, making him your whole personality. You meet someone you really like, and then suddenly, your hobbies vanish, your friends barely see you, you're always available if he calls. Your life starts to orbit around him. At first, he might enjoy the attention, but believe me, over time, that level of self-abandonment does not breed respect. Healthy men respect women who have their own lives, not in a fake, I'm busy way, but in a real, I have family, friends, passions, rest, goals, and a spiritual life that matters to me, with or without you. Now, this is what you do instead. Before you merge lives with anyone, make sure you actually have one. Schedule your joy. Prioritize your rest. Let him see that he's an addition to a beautiful life, not the only bright spot in an empty one. So listen, you're not losing men's respect because you're unworthy. You're losing it because no one ever taught you how to love without abandoning yourself in the process. So here's your homework. Pick one situationship, relationship, or almost situation from your past. Ask yourself, which of these 5 respect killers did I participate in? Then write a new rule for yourself going forward. If you're brave, finish this sentence. I lost some of my self-respect when I blank, but from now on I will blank instead. We're not beating you up. We're rebuilding you so you can have love that doesn't require you to shrink, beg, or carry everything alone. Now, I'm Sasha Sage, your self-life big sister, and I'm not going to let you keep trading your dignity for proximity. I love you enough to tell you the truth, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.